Hello, friends looking for premium sound without paying a premium price. Check out these sleek wireless headphones. Designed for 1000 yuan level sound quality. They deliver deep bass, clear vocals, and immersive audio that makes every song come alive. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or taking calls, the sound stays crisp and powerful. With long battery life, you can enjoy hours of non-stop entertainment without worrying about charging again and again. It supports Bluetooth connectivity, card insertion, and even audio cable options, giving you total flexibility. Plus, it comes with a free data cable as a gift. Stylish, comfortable, and packed with features, these headphones are built for everyday life. Upgrade your listening experience today. If you want to buy, click on the links given in the description box. Subscribe our channels for more updates.